Hello! Join me to Kek Lok Si Temple. It's the largest and famous Buddhist temple in Penang, Malaysia. Located at Anyer Hitam, it's easy to access via bus or by the cab. Once arrived at Anyer Hitam, let's eat first before we hike to the temple. Kek Lok Si Temple, built since 1891, with an amazing architecture and a peaceful feeling. Upon arrival at the temple, we will be welcomed by a lot of children, and we can buy an offering to feed them. The temple area is around 12.1 hectares, hence be prepared on your stamina to walk around and steps on every stairs. The temple area is so beautiful with flowers, statues, worshipping, fresh air. It is also bring happiness and peaceful. We can take the car lift to see the amazing 99-feet bronze statue, Guan Yin, the goddess of mercy. Let's have Penang cuisine before we head back to the next city. Thanks for watching my video until now. See you in my next video. Get lost with MichiGo.
It's a long road, yeah. I will be. Get lost with MichiGo.